Hello gorgeous! It's Jina here. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know about you, but I've been obsessed with K-pop Demon Hunters. It's been on my mind. I absolutely love this movie. In this movie, I've noticed they feature a lot of different Korean food and I wanted to make them in this video. So whether you're just curious about what they're eating in K-pop Demon Hunters or you're just curious what it is, keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and let's go. 가자! The whole thing. That is kimbap. Kimbap is a Korean rice roll. Ooh, right over here, you see this like round pancake thing? That's 𝑘. Ooh, ramyeon, cup ramyeon for sure. So you know how Zoey's eating so much of this? It's actually shrimp crackers. And sundae, the pork blood sausage. So it looks like I'll be making kimbap, 𝑘, and we're gonna have a feast. The kimbap's ingredients, and I'm gonna make rice now. I'm gonna season the rice now. Ta-da! Now, put the oil, sesame oil. This looks insane. Yay! Actually gonna add 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗. Our secret ingredients, gochujang. This is stuffed pancake mix. Hot water. It is very, very sticky. My arms are hurting. Oh my goodness. This cinnamon sugar thing, the inside. I said I need to put oil in my glove so it doesn't stick. So I'm gonna put a little bit. Let's flip it. Ooh! So this is sundae, pork blood sausage, 새우깡, shrimp crackers, 컵라면, 호떡, and kimbap. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Give me 1 second. Now that's better. I have kimbap. Well, I've been dying to try this like this. I added gochujang. It was it took me more than 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna eat shrimp crackers like Zoey. This is 호떡. so yummy. Okay, gorgeous, that's it for this video. If you had fun watching this video, please make sure to like and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. 안녕!